Parker, I made a vlog with your brother in it.
I saw it.
You saw it too, Chase?
You sent it to me. I gotta stop eating fast food.
Yeah.
No, Lee, because then who's gonna eat all the fucking French fries when you go out?
That's true. That's a good point.
Man, you gotta eat, man. Eating's right.
Are you fucking vlogging?
So we're going to Subway to meet up with Parker's love of his life.
Jesus
Gesundheit. Gesundheit.
Oh, God.
Exactly.
Chase, if you could say one thing about Lee, what would it be?
I'm thinking of so many things right now. Does not share fries well.
Lee. Been around, don't speak the language, but I'm on the who explain it when you talk dirt to me.
Fucking pussy, you fat fuck.
Put me on the inside. That's all I've ate today, Chase.
What?
So Lee, you like the Thunder?
I do.
Bracket.
Are you like a fan of the Thunder?
Yeah, they're losing right now, sadly. But, yeah.
Well, it's fucking new.
It's true.
Do you hate KD?
I do.
Do you love Russell Westbrook?
Eh.
If you can be a cartoon character, Chase, what cartoon character would you be?
Rocco from Rocco's Modern Life. For a gateway to it.
I wish I recorded that. I think I got like the ending of that. I didn't even have it on you. I had it on me. Parker, if you can live anywhere in this world at all, if you can...
The Midwest where turquoise is.
Parker. Parker, if you can live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
Alabama.
He thinks it's a troll account.
Sweet home Alabama.
Better question would have been besides Alabama.
Hey.
Alberta, Canada. Oh, friend.
Wherever John Ricky's at.
Got some exclusive things on there. You gotta be a premium member.
Where do I sign up? God.
Pretty wicked, ain't it?
Yeah.
God, I am hungry.
What happened to your leg?
I was in a bad car wreck, got slung out, and about tore my whole leg off.
Yeah, it was bad. Like,
Yeah, it was pretty bad. It come a long way. It's gotten smaller. It used to be bigger.
at least you can walk.
Yeah, I know it. I got scars all over me now.
What's that song? I got scars. I got stripes. Stripes around my feet. That's a Johnny Cash song. Rosacea is like a thing. It's like a skin. I don't know. It's some kind of skin shit. And oh fuck. But it sucks. No, it's something that women get because every time you like look at rosacea, you'll see a picture of a woman with it. You don't really see anything with a man with it, but men do get it. It sucks. But I already have a whole video about rosacea, so I'm not going to spend my time on this vlog to talk about rosacea. What are you talking about, Tristan? There's a video about rosacea. I haven't seen that on your channel. Well, the 4 people that watch my YouTube videos, it's not out yet. Wait on it.
Because I watch your YouTube videos.
You watch my YouTube videos?
Yeah. When you allow me to know that you've created a new one.
Why don't you just put the notifications on, you asshole? Dude, I put on my old Adidas. Like, I haven't, like, I think these were, no, actually, these were my first pair of slides ever. I just realized
Are
that.
those the ones with the cushy bottoms? Like in the soles?
They're
Oh, I have those same ones! Do they have like flags on the bottom?
bruh. Yeah, sounds like car alarms going off when I don't know.
I thought that was a vape that you had.
I thought this was a vape.
Not that. What you had earlier in my car.
Oh. You have to say your shoe game is a freak. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking kick you in your.
Dude, he should have.
I wish that fucker
No, I'll say
died.
like,
I was
yeah, I
like,
saw his leg and I'm like, no, a horrible accident.
I thought it was a shark
The
attack.
screws and bones and like.
Go to the bathroom. I say let it out here. Don't be a vagina. Or
When you move it like this and you move it like that, come on, shake, 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 shake. Oh, I hurt.
Everyone here thinks you have Tourette's.
Fuck you, Lee.
You're my favorite team. Go KD.
KYS.
Hey, dude.
Hey, you'll hear crap from Justin if they lose. I'm just saying because they're playing the Rockets.
What is Justin going to say? Oh, I'm 9/11, my only good relationship?
I thought
Yes.
the Rockets were doing well.
They are.
They are. James Harden has been doing some
You think they'll win MVP?
certain
not.
things.
Who else will-
I believe one of your employees has an attitude.
But
Who's up, retard? Leetard.
could you not?
What?
So, Parker.
Is-
That's your name.
Lee, do you have a freckle on your face?
It's a mole.
Mole? I've never noticed this mole. Like,
It's been there since
What's
I've
going on
known
with
you.
you, man?
me?
You noticing all kinds of blemishes. I don't like it.
Picking out flaws.
You have a freckle right here. You know, this right here. If you
It's
turn
right
around.
there.
You have a freckle.
I don't know if I've ever noticed yours.
I feel like we've
You've got
noticed it.
one on the side of
Yeah,
your face.
you have one right here.
What? Oh, this one? Yeah, and I.
And the
Yeah,
one below it.
yeah, you talking about this one?
Let me see. I can't see. Look at me. Yeah. Look at me.
I think it's time we end this vlog. Or part one of the.
Two. This shit's getting drawn out. Lee told me.
You scared that little girl.
Sorry.
Add me on Snapchat at the Real We.
The really
Real We.
W-E.
we are not French. We are American.
Americans, not American.
The Real Retard.
The retard.
Changing it now.
At trash bag.
Oh. Hope everyone has a blessed day,
At Fish and
and
Wine.
we'll see you in the next video. Wait. Yeah, I'm not trying to record that.
That's what I was looking at.
I was going to end the vlog, but James decided to join
Hey.
the PARTY.
Why
Here.
doesn't this light work?
Yeah, I'm going outside. Move, Chase.
Sorry.
Made 3 of them.
See, I don't mind going into places like 2 minutes before they close, but like,
You don't pump now?
dude, I hit one of those with Taylor. Holy God.
Dude, I love them. It's like my man.
Dude, it's like a,
I love
Like-
how it doesn't like affect you.
Oh, it does. Like, hit me here a sec.
he says he is, but I doubt it. Oh my God, this is bad.
Hey, bro.
Dude, I always drive and forget where I'm driving to.
Really?
Yeah, it's bad.
Dude.
Dude, Daniel
Dude.
smokes the shit.
I fucking suck at vlogging.
We earlier had 4
It's okay. Like, this isn't even how I want to vlog. Like, I'm vlogging pointless bullshit. What's the meaning behind this?
A
What-
vlog is
what-
pointless
Like, just
bullshit.
every time you go to do something cool, vlog it. I know
Like,
you can't
when
do
you take a
something cool
shit,
every day.
Like, take a shit and then start vlogging and catch the worst fart you can. That's a vlog, bud.
Okay. That was,
Or us hugging.
bye.
Oh my
Be
god,
good.
I love you. Why am I recording this? I'm so stupid.
I love you. That's the man of my dreams. There you go. Is my hero. The Foo Fighters.
So I have a question. When
Always an issue, Lee.
Because I'm half retarded.
Shut the fuck up for 5 fucking minutes.
I'm going home.
Good.
Find your own ride.
Okay, I'll walk.
Have fun walking
Fuck
from Warrior
off,
to Gardendale.
I am about to fuck you in the ass.
All right. Don't say anything.
Lee, if you were a WWE wrestler, what would your entrance look like? And go.
Never thought of that.
Let's fucking do it now.
Do it. Do a flip.
I'm here.
Do a
Is that your-
backflip.
All right.
That's it.
Chase, you're up.
And next time.
That's it. And
That's
then
your
the music would
entrance?
cut out, the spotlight would come down, and I would just walk in silence.
Chase,
Let me show you what my entrance would be like.
Giving this a thought.
Let's win these tag team championships, boys. Even though it's rigged because it's fake, but fuck it.
Shut up.
Kids are watching this.
Chandler's with the fireworks. And they all actually
Yeah.
exploded
No,
when you tried.
yeah, because they lit that. Preston lit
And it
that
was
big
going
one.
forever.
And I tried. Chandler walked through it and it was fine. I did it and it looked like a Vietnam scene.
I'd also like to point out y'all went through half of those before I got there, and I was the one who bought them.
Because you were
fucked up.
slow as fuck.
I was out with my family. My bad. No, I was with Devin and Jordan. Why was I with Devin and Jordan?
Yeah.
Oh, James. Lee? Oh, he's trying to talk to me.
Is there a problem, sir?
What, officer? Yeah, fuck off, Randy. Hey, frick off, burb. What the fuck are they doing? What the fuck are they doing? I'm coming! What? I don't know. No, stop, Chase, stop! Alright, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, everyone. I love you so much. I love you all with all my heart. Lee, Chase, and Parker. You guys are the greatest things I've ever... Parker's so sorry. I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all later. You guys are the friends of the life, the best friends of everness. I'll see y'all. Lee, love your car, man. Chargers, keep it up. White car, you gotta wash this bitch, bro. I'll see y'all. Peace out, bro hams. Love y'all. Boom. So that was my night out with Lee, Chase, and Parker, or Parker, Chase, and Lee, or Parker, Chase, Lee, or Lee, Chase, Park. You know, I just, you know, however you want to put it in chronological order. I hope y'all enjoyed that. This video had no meaning behind it at all. It was just me going out with some friends, Subway, and Shenanigans. I hope you all enjoyed it, though. New videos coming up soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.